फ्रेंड्स, मेरे चैनल इजी लर्निंग में आपका स्वागत है। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखें। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्रैमर्स रूल के बारे में। सो स्टार्ट द वीडियो। सॉल्व द इक्वेशंस यूजिंग क्रैमर्स रूल। Here, three linear equations are to be solved using Cramer's rule. First linear equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 3. Second linear equation is 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 4. Third linear equation is 5x minus 2y minus z is equal to 2. So, first of all, we find the determinant, that is delta, from these equations. So here the coefficient of x is 1, so 1 here. Coefficient of x is 2, hence 2 here. Coefficient of x in third linear equation is 5. Then coefficient of y is 1, minus 1 and minus 2. Coefficient of z is 1, 3 and minus 1. So first of all we write the coefficients of the equation from this side. Then we find the determinant. The method of finding the determinant is, first of all we expand from any row or column. In this case we are expanding from row. Here there are 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So we are expanding from first row. So from first row we use the sign alternately. Here plus 1, minus 1 and then plus. The signs are alternate, plus, minus and plus. So taking first row, so in the first row we have 1, so taking the value plus 1. Now we eliminate this and this and this. Now we multiply this value, minus 1 to minus 1 and subtract from this minus 2 into 3. So plus 1 minus 1 को minus 1 से multiply किया, then we get 1 and minus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 6. So subtract करने के लिए आपको साइन चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Then we take minus 6 minus 6 is equal to plus 6. Then second value is 1 and here the sign is minus 1 because plus minus plus, hence minus 1. Now we eliminate this column and this row, this column and this row. Now multiply 2 into minus 1 and 5 into 3. Multiplying 2 into minus 1 we get minus 2 and subtracting 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is equal to 15 and subtracting, hence we get minus 15. Then third value is 1 and because the sign is plus minus plus, here the value of 1 is plus 1 because plus minus plus, the value remains same, plus 1. Now eliminate this column and this row. Eliminate this column and this row, we multiply 2 into minus 2 and 5 into minus 1. So then multiplying 2 into minus 2 we get minus 4 and subtracting minus 5. Minus 5 को जब हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो माइनस माइनस प्लस, हैंस वी गेट प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 1 इंटू 7 minus 1 into minus 17 and plus 1 into 1 because minus 2 minus 15 is equal to minus 17. Minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7 and after multiplication we get 7 plus 17 plus 1 is equal to 25. Hence in Cramer rule, if the value of determinant is not 0, then we can apply Cramer rule. Here the value of determinant is 25, which is not 0, hence we can proceed further and apply Cramer's rule to solve the system of linear equations. This method of Cramer's rule is very important for mathematics in class 11 and class 12. Now we can calculate the value of determinant delta 1. For calculating the value of determinant delta 1, we can replace the first column with this value. So replacing the first column with this value and all the other columns are same. So first column is replaced by 3, 4, 2, and the other two columns are same, 1 minus 1 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1, and same procedure is applied to calculate the determinant. So plus minus plus, we are expanding in first row. We can expand any row, but we are here expanding from first row. So plus minus plus, so expanding from first row we get first of all plus 3, then eliminate this column and this row, multiply minus 1 to minus 1, that comes to be 1, and subtracting minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. After subtraction we change the sign, it comes to be plus 6. Then take the second value. Here second value is 1, because second value have negative sign here, because it is plus 1, so we have taken minus 1. Now eliminate this column and this row, we get 4 into minus 1 and 2 into 3. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 and 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and subtract it, then it is minus 6. Then third value is plus 1, and the value of third value have the same sign, this is plus 1. Eliminate this column and this row and multiply 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8, and 2 into minus 1 minus 2, because we have to subtract this value, so minus 2. After subtraction change the sign, plus 2. After solving we get 3 into 7 minus 1 into minus 10 plus 1 into minus 6 is equal to 21, plus 10 minus 6 is equal to 25. Hence the value of determinant 1, that is delta 1, is equal to also 25. Further we find delta 2. Now we have replaced the second column, so we have the values 1, 2, 5. First column remains same, third column remains same, and second column is replaced by 3, 4, 2, and same procedure is applied here to find the determinant. First of all plus minus plus, so plus 1, eliminate this column and this row and multiply 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4, 2 into 3 6, and because here we have to subtract, hence change the sign, minus 6. Then plus 3 here, because the sign have to be changed here, then minus 3. Eliminate this column and this row, we multiply 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, 5 into 3 15, because we have to subtract, so change the sign, minus 15. Then the value plus 1, same value, then eliminate this column and this row, multiply 2 into 2, that is 4, and 5 into 4, that is minus 20, because we have to subtract this. So after solving we get 1 into minus 10, minus 3 into minus 17, plus 1 into minus 16 is equal to minus 10 plus 51 minus 16, and after solving we get minus 26 plus 51 is equal to 25. So the value of determinant 2, that is delta 2, is 25. Then we find the value of determinant delta 3. Now we replace third column with 3, 4, 2, and first two columns are same, that is 1 2 5 1 minus 1 minus 2. Then we expand from first row, plus 1 minus 1 plus 3. So plus 1 into, eliminate this column and this row, multiply minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, and subtract minus 2 into 4, that is minus 8, minus 8 is equal to plus 8. Then change the value of plus 1, that is minus 1, eliminate this column and this row, we multiply 2 into 2, that is 4, and 5 into 4 subtract karna hai, 5 into 4, that is 20 minus 20. So then plus 3, eliminate this column and this row, multiply 2 into minus 2, minus 4, and minus 5, because we have to subtract, so minus 5 is equal to plus 5 here. After solving we get 1 6 minus 1 minus 16 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 6 plus 16 plus 3 is equal to 25. Hence the value of x is equal to delta 1 upon delta, yani because that is determinant 1 upon determinant 2 upon determinant 3 upon determinant, that is delta 1 upon delta 2 upon delta 3 upon delta. So x is equal to delta 1 upon delta, that is 25 upon 25 is equal to 1. This is the solution for the values of x. So value of y is equal to delta 2 upon delta is equal to 25 upon 25 is equal to 1, and the value of z is equal to delta 3 upon delta is equal to 25 upon 25 is equal to 1. So the system of linear equation can be solved in a very easy method, that is Cramer rule. The condition for Cramer rule is that the value of determinant should never be 0, and because in this case the value of determinant is greater than 0, so we can easily apply the Cramer rule. This video is very helpful for especially those students who are in class 11 or class 12, and also it is very helpful for competitive exams. So system of linear equations can be solved easily using Cramer's rule. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.